welcome to another cooking show with one Tater Cowgirl. And I want to make something German for you today, because I know you like my old German recipes. This is also one with an historic background, so I tell you about that. I'm making for you today Leipziger Allerlei, which is a vegetable dish that comes from Eastern Germany, from the city of Leipzig in Saxon. And the origin of this dish it got created after the Napoleonic War, when the mayor of the city of Leipzig tried to avoid tax solicitors to be attracted to Leipzig, and he thought if everybody has vegetarian dishes without meat in it, they might move on to other cities who seem to be richer, and so did the beggars. Anyway, this is the historic background. Leipzig Allerlei, Leipzig Mishmash. I will show you the basic recipe I know, like my grandma made. I know variations like some people added cauliflower, I saw that, and I saw beans, green beans in it. But I show you the basic recipe. In Leipzig, I read that they also sometimes added river crabs, scampi's, but I never saw that, so I can verify that. Anyway, let's get started. I heat a little bit water in the pan because I need to water saute half a chopped onion, and it doesn't matter which onion you take. I took a red onion and 2 stalks of celery chopped. That's how we start. So we'll water saute that. Eddie is busy, but we also have to figure out how we proceed letting her participate, because YouTube has new rules. I have to read the rules if I even can have her participating, because she's a child. I'm not sure. If you can give me some clues about it, let me know. I don't want to get sued or something by them. It's enough that they shadow ban me. Anyway, let's do that. So, what you can prepare, which I did already, I took a pack of these carrots. You see, these are the little carrots, because they have the perfect size. You don't have to chop or do anything. And I steamed them here. They're ready to go. Please do not steam them too long, about 6-7 minutes. Don't steam them until they are really soft. They have to be tender, fork tender, al dente. The same I did with baby asparagus. I bought them frozen and I steamed them. And they are still very, they are not mushy. I don't want them mushy in the vegetable. Yeah, just right. And what I did here, when I steamed them, I sprinkled them with a little Meyer lemon from my garden. Then they keep their nice green color. I also steamed those green peas, and they're looking nice. And I don't steam everything together. I did everything separate. That's why I pre-did it. And now we get to cook. So we let the celery and the onion soften a little bit. How did we eat that dish in the past? My grandma usually made it with baked potato, or I do it with rice today, brown rice. I have leftover rice. I can also see it with hash browns, you know, or mashed potatoes. It's up to you. I also remember her making them with fish. But this was something she made Fridays and then she added fish. I can remember that. But we are vegan, whole plant based, so shh about that. And this is a really easy, fast recipe, so you will like it. Okay. Let's add a little bit. What I have here are 2 cups of vegetable broth. I like the garlic based better than bouillon vegan broth in this case. Put a little sip in there. Let it stew a little. Make it soft. And we are soon at the part where we do the gravy. So this is going to be the gravy of the vegetable. We have all the vegetable ready to go. All we have to do is the gravy for the vegetables. Okay. The onions are getting just right now, glassy. We don't want them brown, we just want them soft and glassy. Same with the celery. Okay, so we add more broth. That's to your liking, depending on how much gravy you want for the, I think I take them all, for the vegetables. And let it come to a boil. And while it comes to a boil, we can add our ingredients. Half a Meyer lemon from my garden. I like the lemony taste in it. If you don't have lemons, you could do vinegar, you know, to have some acidic flavor. That's okay. We also need about, we already have the garlic broth, so I'm not doing too much. I do half a teaspoon salt, not more. It's up to you, to your liking. I will taste later if I need more. Just let it all come to a boil first. Then I have 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder. Then same as the pepper, 1/4 to 1/2 a teaspoon, depending on how you like pepper, black pepper. It goes in there. And I do still add a little bit minced garlic, even if I have the garlic base vegetable. Let's do like a tablespoon. That's half a tablespoon, I would say. Okay, swirl that around a little. Let it come to a boil. And now, I almost forgot, 1/4 teaspoon honey. My grandma used sugar. I avoid sugar, so I'm using honey, 1/4 teaspoon. I have to put in a little bit sweetness. You could do syrup if you want. I like that. Let's try a little. Any bouillon on the spoon I'm trying with. Perfect. Okay. I also have parsley, but I wait until the end. I don't want to cook it down too much. And now, just give a whisk. See, it boils now, and we take 2 tablespoons brown rice flour. Brown rice flour doesn't lump like normal flour, so I prefer that. It will thicken the gravy. It's an alternative to making a roux. We just let it boil up again, and we swirl it, we mix it. And if it's not thick enough, you just put another tablespoon flour in it. I want to wait because it will thicken when it boils. Yeah, I could use a little bit more. I could use a little bit more. I told you I had 2 cups of vegetable broth, so. See, if you would do that with normal flour, you would have lumps in there. With brown rice flour, you won't. Yeah, now it's gonna be perfecto. I wonder, I live in California, you know, pay a shitload, I pay a lot of taxes here. They take it from the living. They squeeze every dollar out of you here. I wonder if I tell them I'm not eating meat, if they lower my taxes like they did for the Leipzig Mishmash in Leipzig, but I doubt it. They will tax me like everybody else. No mercy here. Okay. Oops. I want to show you on the red. Yeah, you can see it. So the way you know if the gravy is okay, you dip your spoon in it and make a little thing. If it stays, the little line, it's thick enough. And that is thick enough. So we go on low. And now we start with the peas. We enter the peas. We enter, where did I put my, oh here, the carrots. Oh, they're perfect, see? They're not too soft, just right. Okay, now don't mix it too much, just, you know, put a little bit, mix it a little bit. Oh, the colors are beautiful. And last but not least, we enter our asparagus. Yes, you can use white asparagus. I like the green one, so I use the green one. You can use green beans and add those. As I said, I saw that before in white cauliflower or kohlrabi. I like it, the basic recipe like I have it here. That's just what I like. Look at these colors. See that? Okay, let it come up to a boil so it's nice and hot. And we can eat a little bit of parsley. This is it, ladies and gentlemen, Leipzig Mishmash. Look at it. Perfect. It's so good. Easy peasy meal. The kids will like it. You can add, you know, a vegetarian sausage or whatever your kids prefer. No problem. Okay. Very good. It's hot enough. Everything is done. I'm showing you how I serve it. Take a plate, take it out and see that I get from all vegetables enough. Ed doesn't like asparagus, so she tries to avoid the asparagus. That's okay. I like asparagus, so I will help her out. Okay. Make a little well in the middle. And I have, in my case, I have brown rice. I just took a measuring cup, put brown rice in the middle, put a little bit parsley on top, make it look nice, and this is how I serve it. Is that nice? I hope you liked it, and you will try to make Leipzig Mishmash. The recipe will be below my video in the definition box, and as always, as we say in California, peace out. Pow.